Alright, so finally today we actually get to pour the slab portion of this project here. It took us quite a while, and not just that, it was kind of hard to get into concrete. Luckily one of our friends was able to help us out to have this accomplished today. And we are pouring today at 4 o'clock in the morning, so they've been here since 3 o'clock setting up the lights, and the pump's been here since 3:30, and the concrete just started arriving here around like 10 over 4 o'clock. We have Super Mix and Big Johnson and HR Concrete. So yeah, this whole project consisted of a lot of rebar, a lot of wire mesh. We're using a 4,000 psi mix. We have I believe it's 3 number 5s running all along the perimeter, basically that goes around the whole sidewalk. And then you have your it calls for number 4s epoxied in to where the stem wall is at, and just basically coming out this way as well. And then the rest of it's wire mesh, so we're not using any fibers. Over here is pretty dark, but it's the same thing. So that's where we stand at now. And we have about, I think 100, I'm guessing 110 yards. So we have 100 plus, but it's gonna be most likely 110 for sure. We got some more trucks coming in right now. So they're pouring 2 at a time. Now George College is showing up just now. And these are our buddies that are helping us out today. H Concrete Construction Finishers. And if it weren't for those guys, we probably wouldn't have concrete today. We probably have to wait until, like, I am assuming, they said sometime in I don't remember if it was June or May, but it was really quite far out. And the thing was that we were trying to move along with this, but the contractor wasn't able to get an electrician out here, his mechanical guy, or the plumber. We kind of like gave him our contact for the plumber to do their plumbing part out of it, but it was very hard to have them out there to do all that portion of the work, because we can't really pour concrete until that happens. So that's why it kind of took quite a while for that to happen. But thankfully we got that out of the way, and that our friends with H Concrete was able to help us out to have this accomplished, like within probably a week or 2 weeks of scheduling, and not having to wait 2 months. Because you know, construction down here in Florida, and I'm assuming and all around, it's pretty hard to get materials right now at this point of our lifetime. So, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. Alrighty guys, so this is gonna complete the video for today. As you guys can see, we are finally done. Well, actually we're not really done. There's still got a little bit more work to do. We're using the trowel machine to kind of basically do the finishing on it so far. But I guess that's all we have to show for you guys. Our next thing to show out here is realistically putting the block up, doing a tie beam, and from there we're going to be doing our Hombro system. So I'm not sure if I should just do a section of just like the block work and the tie beam, or just do like the block work, the tie beam, and the Hombro system. I'm not sure what I should do, but we'll see when we get there. But I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and we catch you guys on for the next video.